Imagine writing code that anticipates your needs before you even type. AI is transforming coding, making developers more efficient than ever. Let's explore how AI is revolutionizing the way we write code. This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well-architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is BusinessCompassLLC.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Cursor agents are at the forefront of this change, acting as intelligent companions. They understand context, predict your next move, and generate code in real time, reshaping the development landscape. Unlike traditional code assistants, Cursor agents are proactive. They analyze your entire development environment, understanding project structure and coding patterns to offer contextually relevant assistance. These agents comprehend the semantic meaning behind your code, suggesting logically sound solutions. They learn from your coding style, adapting to provide even more personalized support. Cursor agents rely on large language models trained on vast code repositories. They understand syntax, programming concepts, and best practices across various technologies. Natural language processing allows these agents to interpret developer comments and translate plain English into working code, bridging the gap between ideas and implementation. Cursor agents provide real-time code analysis, identifying potential issues and suggesting optimizations. They offer alternative implementations before problems arise, enhancing code quality. Their contextual understanding extends to entire project ecosystems, analyzing libraries and APIs to provide accurate suggestions that align with your technology stack. Intelligent code completion goes beyond simple autocomplete. Cursor agents predict entire implementations based on your project's architecture and coding style. They offer multi-file context awareness, maintaining consistency across your code base. Natural language to code translation and automated bug detection further streamline development. Cursor agents drastically reduce time spent on boilerplate code, allowing developers to focus on complex problem solving. They accelerate debugging and error resolution, enhancing productivity. These tools also aid in learning new technologies, providing instant contextual guidance. Developers become productive faster, mastering new languages and frameworks with ease. In front-end development, Cursor agents excel at generating UI components, understanding design systems and style guides. They streamline back-end API development and database integration. DevOps and infrastructure automation benefit from AI-generated templates and configurations. These agents enhance monitoring, observability, and CICD pipeline creation, transforming workflows. Security and privacy are valid concerns with AI tools. Developers must weigh the trade-offs between cloud-based functionality and local deployment options. Dependency on AI can impact critical thinking skills. It's crucial to balance AI assistance with maintaining core programming abilities to avoid skill degradation. Integration challenges with existing environments can arise. Ensuring compatibility and performance requires careful consideration to maximize the benefits of AI tools. In recap, Cursor agents revolutionize coding by enhancing productivity and streamlining workflows. By leveraging AI, developers can focus on creativity and complex problem solving. By embracing AI tools, you'll unlock new levels of efficiency and innovation in your development process. The future of coding is here, and it's powered by AI. Start experimenting with AI-powered coding tools today. Integrate them into your workflow and discover how they can transform your development experience. Let's code smarter together.